Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fayza Nabila Mairani. So in this video I will explain how to pronounce the English sound. So the EPA symbol for this sound is like this. So some example words containing the sounds are ship, son, and sister. Now let's look at the position of lip and teeth. So when you producing the sounds, the lips are slightly open and relaxed, so they're not rounded, and the upper and lower teeth are very close to each other, but they do not completely touch. So watch my mouth carefully as I pronounce the sound. So let's talk about the tongue position. The tongue is placed near the front part of the mouth. The tip of the tongue is close to the upper teeth, but it doesn't touch them. A small space is left between the tongue and the roof of the mouth. So air presses through this narrow space and create the sound. So let me demonstrate again. So can you see that the tongue stays close to the teeth while the air flows constantly? So let's check the vocal fold. The sound is a voiceless sound. This means the vocal fold do not vibrate when we produce it. To check this, place your finger gently on your throat near your Adam pupil. So now say So, did you feel any vibration? Probably not. That is because it's voiceless. Now, let's practice a minimal pair. A minimal pair consists of two words that differ by only one sound. For the sound, we can compare sip and zip. Listen carefully. Sip, zip. Sip, zip. Sip, sip, zip. The first word begin with s, while the second word begin with s. Notice that the s is voiceless, but the z is voiced. Here's a practical tip for learner that place your hand in front of your mouth and say you should feel a steady stream of air coming out. So another tip is to place your finger off the throat. If you do not feel vibration, you are likely producing the sound correctly. So practice in a mirror and watch the position of your lip, teeth, and tongue. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.